Here we are looking at a 2022 Barletta Cabrio 22QC with the Tri-Toon package, with the blackout rails and the white opal on the exterior. Although it's wrapped up, this does have a 150 Mercury 4-stroke on it. As you see, the ski tow bar as well, if you'd like to do some tubing or skiing. So as we make our way to the boat here, has the tan flooring along with the Carmella interior. As you see, this is the quad seating, so in the bow and stern. Checking out the helm here, much like a vehicle, you can move the steering wheel along with the captain's chair. We have a Hertz audio system along with the Lowrance hook. Power bimini top is standard on all Barlettas, so with the push of a button it goes up and it goes down. Nice little feature below all the seats here. You're gonna have USB ports. A nice thing with the Tri-Toon package as well is you get the center tune storage, the gas strut. If you like to bring your furry friends on the boat, it does have a food and water bowl. Speakers below each seating. Same in the back. Removable cup holders, which do have a bracket on the side of the seat, but if you would like it in here, you can just insert it that way. Some more storage back there. There's some more USB and auxiliary ports for your stereo, your RGB lighting switch, so all of the cup holders and below the seating will be RGB. Under here, pull this up, comes out into a table with a little bit extra storage. You can also lift that backrest up. You got your nice trash can there. All the seats do lift up as well. So all the Barlettas do come with a cover. And that is the Barletta Cabrio 22QC Tri-Toon.